Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the destination. Plug in your external drive or connect to the NAS. Explain why. Time Machine needs a writable, correctly formatted volume to store snapshots. Once connected, open System Settings General Time Machine to begin. Make sure to unlock and grant permissions if prompted. If the drive needs formatting, use Disk Utility. Choose apps for Mac OS 11 and later, or Mac OS Extended, journaled for older systems. This gets you ready for the first backup. Now you enable and configure Time Machine. You toggle Time Machine on and choose Select Backup Disk. Pick the formatted volume and check Encrypt Backup if you want security. Explain why. Encryption protects your snapshots if the drive is lost. Once done, click Use Disk and confirm any prompts to replace or add a disk. Make sure to exclude large folders you don't need so backups stay compact. Time Machine will now prepare a full initial backup and then run hourly snapshots automatically. Finish by verifying the backup completed successfully. You open Time Machine, watch the initial backup progress, and check the drive in Finder for a backups. BackupDB folder. If Time Machine reports errors, reconnect the drive, test with a different cable, and confirm the partition format and permissions. Reformat as a last resort. Once the backup finishes, perform a quick restore of one file to confirm integrity. If problems persist, reboot, update Mac OS, and retry. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.